Finally simtholile. Yakhumbula le basingibani manje leya. Basingibani manje leya basingibani manje mfana ukushona kila kawa afuna le ntombatane leya. But finally now finally simtholile sesinoxolo. Finally simtholile kude ilanga lelingafika. And yesterday last week we say we're going to be basically like be talking like when you're podcasting we're going to be talking
we're going to
English.
we're going to be podcasting in English.
English.
Unfortunately, today it won't be possible.
Yeah.
Hey, but man, we're going to be tapping to those.
Yeah.
We can freelance, guys.
Yeah,
exactly. Here and there.
Because
it's impossible.
Then.
Fede, come on, champ.
I know, sharp. Yeah.
As Kurumi podcast.
Yeah, final.
Again, this time, consistent. Hey, I did that.
I know, everything happens for a reason.
Not last week, like the week before that.
Yeah.
Because I recorded a Black Queen.
Don't talk about that one.
What happened?
Footage lost.
Lost footage.
7 doing longer.
It was an hour plus, no?
Yeah, hour plus.
As last week we were shooting, we talk about it maybe because of the thing that we talk about that episode. Maybe we're not viral.
Hey,
It was bad.
Yeah, it was sensitive.
We're gonna piss you off.
Yeah, it was sensitive.
Mana namuhla possible nokuthi singabaphisa off mos.
Eish.
Mara the show must go on.
Yeah, kind of.
For the sake of the podcast.
Yeah,
For the sake of the podcast.
Because we make but trend is long.
We don't care though.
Yeah.
We don't care. We don't care.
No, finally we find Nokolo Mabuza. It's been long. It's been years.
My bad.
I think it's been years, no?
My bad.
From last year, if I'm not mistaken.
Let me teach you something.
Yes.
From what's in this thing?
Radio producer.
Broadcasting background.
Yeah.
Shabuzi Mapethu, welcome to our Kurumi podcast. Cliff Law, Lido Wuhle, Specialist in Uni, as usual. We have a special guest in the building today.
Boom, 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 boom.
My brother.
Yeah.
After a very long time, my brother.
Yeah.
Finally.
She's
here.
Oh,
Mfethu with.
He's no, God.
Yo.
Nkulunkulu uyasethapha isikhathi sakhe, so
Mfethu, let me tell you about this person.
yeah.
Ne.
Yeah.
She's very controversial, number one.
God. Oh, yeah.
She's very famous.
Yeah.
Very famous, my brother. Very.
Yeah.
Ubona umuntu abe famous ngendlela ukuthi wadropa something ilanga linye.
Yeah.
Hey, internet yaqela. That's how famous she is, my dog.
Yeah.
Number 3. Bampita ngabani? Asarafini.
Oh.
Sema 16.
I don't know that one. I don't know that one.
My G, umuntu wasishusa iCovid, bathi kuna COVID wathi la siyavula. Nocela Mabuza in the building. Danko.
Yeah.
Yeah. Says, how are you?
Sanibonani guys, I'm fine.
Finally.
Let's do this.
It's like a unicorn. Everybody talks about a unicorn, but nobody has seen a unicorn.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all always know there's something called a unicorn. Unicorn, never. Namuhla sinayo live.
Aibo.
Ezombas.
Yeah. Coming to you live as Let's not forget.
Exactly.
Again, this episode is sponsored by Cliff Sound.
Yeah.
Moifuna is on. You can contact me on 061 482 6573 061 482 6573.
Yeah.
Unegig, unephathi, unemshado, unemgcwabo,
Sinako konke.
Wotala kimi.
Yeah.
Danko.
Danko means thank you. Oh no, final, my brother.
Hey.
When I one book to the radio, so you know how to introduce some of
My
the
brother.
things.
You
We're
should
learning
ask
everything.
things, my brother.
We're learning
You should ask
everything.
things, my brother.
No.
Mara, Snaykohla, we have a ghost man.
Yeah.
Ghost guy.
Yeah,
In the background, my brother.
Oh,
In the background, my
Yeah,
brother.
that's it.
There's a ghost guy, my brother.
Yeah.
Pencil over my shorts, to grab a son.
Yeah.
Who's it looking ghost?
yeah.
You are keep on my camera. Okay, my boy.
I know. This one, I think it's gonna be another one.
It's a ball, my brother.
No, finally. I think there are many trending stories that we're having in social media
Yeah.
that's out there. Before we get into Nokolo. The Babala and what do you call this guy?
Calvin Momo. Calvin Momo. Now, but a shout out to the dog in Fetu. It's been a long time coming. Everyone, especially for music work, because Bando they dubbed up music as private school piano. Because it's more soulful, it's more jazzy. Everyone. So it's symphony, basically. Everyone, accommodate because la pana kunema chords, kunema strings, kunema violin. Everyone. So for Calvin Momo to do something shout out to him. It was success. Wonke umuntu bekafuna kuba lapha.
Kwaba nguye.
Yabona. Yakhumbula the first one Kabza. The first one was Kabza, Ethiopian. Yabona. Second one Calvin. It's only fitting. Yabona. Nigete bathi kambe uPeter Mothini. Uthini the prefect of Amapiano.
Usho njani?
Yeah.
Yelele.
Private school, yeah. Private school. Prefect of Amapiano. Yabona. So it's only fitting man. From the king to the prefect. Yabona.
So who's next? So who's next after Calvin?
Lo yawubhizi ngani yena lo ngibani Scott Maphuma naye utuke lo.
Yeah, Mapiano and Mara Scott is still a child.
Yeah.
They have undermined.
Yeah, there's a long way to go. Yeah. I mean, Massive is based on catalog. It doesn't have catalog. Mara Scott ufike uqale to money last year. Yeah, so the catalog is saying Calvin is 2020. Ivy League album. Platinum. So nyalo release the album in.
And Scott you said it was the album.
Ude.
Unayo?
Last year late. This year, yeah.
I thought it's all about featuring.
No, Scott album. Mara it looked like it was late. Unfortunately, I wasn't there. Couldn't afford the ticket. But I'm going to age. I know it was.
But happen kuphi?
At the symphony.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was at the symphony. Kubona nje ubona lama videos lapha na kusiyana. And
it was sponsored by Red Bull, ne?
Yeah. Yeah, we put Red Bull. And this thing it made me wonder, ne? Who can fill up FNP between the two?
Between who and who?
Kabza and
Kabza ndoda, come on. Angeke uzubute 1 + 1.
Wait.
Okay, sorry.
Let me cook.
Okay, cool.
You know why I'm saying this?
Yeah.
Right.
Every time Calvin drops,
Yeah.
every time, like Africa,
Yeah.
the only person like Africa, Lo Riche was a triple platinum. With Spotify on streams.
Yeah.
Calvin Pale.
Ude lo munye.
It's only him. Every time Calvin drops the album, I'm a fan as well.
Yeah.
Mara, I'm a staunch fan. No. I'm a fan.
Yeah.
The songs I like, the songs I don't like. But I've noticed Kabza doesn't do that. Kabza drop okay, in a month's time.
But Kabza drops now and then, fella.
Yeah.
So they are not the same.
Akaphelelwa.
Kabza hasn't dropped in a while.
In a while, ne?
Kabza hasn't dropped in a
Khona la
while.
ngibone
He's been into features now.
khona la ngibone khona bekasana labantu baseDurban ngibobani I don't know they were in a house and then they were busy bebacula like
Botira.
mara bebaseDurban mara ngiva
Yeah. That sound.
That guy is.
Akaphelelwa loya.
That's why it's a legend.
Well, I should go to drop in July.
Nah.
He's dropping manje July. Manje, I'm thinking with the way Calvin.
And
I don't know.
29 tracks.
Alindo loves Calvin.
Listen. So, Kabza said he's dropping July.
Yeah.
So it's known because Kabza in July he's dropping.
Yeah.
Calvin doesn't talk. Lokutshela namuhla ukuthi Sasa ngadrop. Sasa. Ngiyachata ngoma ta Calvin.
The Calvin, ne?
Manje, I'm thinking what the hell, man. Surely Kabza can fill up the FNB. Okay,
And,
I guess now the question is, who can fill it up quicker
Between the two.
between the two?
Kabza.
Because surely they both can.
Kabza.
Dogs.
Kabza,
Angazi
Shem.
ngathi nasinomnyaka lona ngathi make ukhulume nayo about ukuthi unafila phi. I don't know which stadium.
No, Meg said uyafisa.
Bathi usovumile yena. Ngathi icalile lento ukuthi bathengise amathikithi na. But
Sebacalile already.
Yeah, kind of.
Man,
Masicheck kahle.
Yeah.
Sihambe simama.
We're gonna need a fed checker for this.
Yeah, oh no.
We're gonna need a fed checker for
Not the
this.
tiny checker.
But the biggest news in that symphony,
Yeah.
it's Babola M and Calvin.
Hey. Tumeli mali ya malobola.
Hey, Fed. Last week I was watching this podcast. Shout out to Mafito.
Okay. Yeah.
So at Magenge, they're interested to see what's going on between Calvin Momo and Babalo since they were dating.
Yeah.
Right? And manje, jive, rumors came out that Calvin Momo was cheating on Babalo and they broke up and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So, Bule Symphony, so Babega stats like okay, sharp, every album oh ma-album akhe baba lo M lawo Tupac uhlala akhala. You understand? Uhlala akhala. Yana.
Yabalisa.
Yeah, yabalisa yana. There's a song kule ngoma kule album ya Calvin Momo. Yeah, I forgot the name of the song and I listened to the song I'm like, yo. Hey. I was like, yo. It's Calvin Momo featuring Babalo M.
Yeah.
Obviously vocals from Babalo. Tula Babalo. In fact, I'm listening to the song, I'm like, yo. Get a drop on my files, Joe. Get a dropping bombs. Yeah, umngani wami wena yena uzokuthathela umuntu ini ufuna imali yakho kuphela. I'm like, yes. In a Calvin Momo's album. So now I'm thinking, hey, Shorty vele,
What's
it's chai,
happened?
it's over, it's game over. Then symphony happened. Bantu sebaqabuzana lapho mnaka.
Who's this symphony girl?
Oh, symphony is the name of the thingy.
Oh,
orchestra.
okay.
Yeah, the show. It was a symphony.
Mm-hmm.
Yabo. So now, thina zakuba bahlukene. Yabo. Siyajola sina noxolo abantu bathi mina nkosi sesihlukene. Yabo. Kune events lekhona. Shaya events sesa. Mafika lapha events yaqabuzana. I'm like, "Hey! Are we back on kumbe kwende?"
No, beyasha stem.
Kahle kahle. Bekamakha.
Beyasha stem.
No, but it's a guys. Here's my chat.
Yeah.
These people sell albums in every type of way they can.
Business, dog.
Yeah. So what if this is also a publicity stunt?
It can be.
Because you know what they're saying? There's no such thing as bad publicity.
Yeah.
Everyone. So what if this thing with now it's not a per se? It's just no. As go together. Because apparently she moved out.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Or they're staying together.
Yeah, they were staying together. But apparently she moved out. That's where it's on this allegedly. She moved out. And when Mara ngale, and when you record and so on and so forth. So you thinking with die, if your girlfriend is longer then she moves out, it means it's shy.
Yeah.
You guys are not together anymore. And when Mara now there's kissing now and national stage, you like
Hayi vele ungasho ukuthi it's a publicity stunt. Mhm.
Hayi stopona when time goes by man.
Utophuma ogcineni kwakho konke vele.
yeah, kuthi kuntikana.
Mara mina solo ngisasho ngithi Kabza hayi number 1.
No, hayi boss. No. Hayi no. Awudlalisa.
Kabza number 1.
That was good.
Mhm.
So, other trending stories?
This one hits home because it's from around.
Yeah.
It's from around.
12-14.
Grootman, Maduman,
Oh, okay. What
Dumsan
about him?
Similan.
Yeah.
Eish. So I saw this concerning post.
Yeah.
I don't know who posted on Facebook. So there was a post where somebody asked Kuti, what happened to Maduman, and there's a picture of him there.
Yeah.
In the picture, he looks, man, he doesn't look okay, you know? He looks like he's ill. Yabona?
I know. Matumara is sick.
Exactly. No, ninento yena ngathi itolo
Hey, the ghost guy.
itolo was sitting with this other guy. Wakhuluma uthi yena his friends or cousins namatumane and uhlala duze nakhona.
Yeah.
Wathi ungathi so uyahlanya.
Aye.
So uyayibona Qobo buka. Qobo, honestly I swear.
Some again.
But yo basho njalo. That's what they saying. No, man, that's what they saying. Ukuthi and no ngathi
Okay, can I ask?
Yeah.
Is he still on radio? Is he still on air?
No, it's not.
He's not
He's
on
not.
air.
It's been long. Yeah, it's not.
For
Yeah, logo
I think it's 2 months now.
Yeah, but
off air.
Off air.
mina ngivasa une problem you know.
Lang.
Voice,
Okay,
something
okay.
like that. Yeah, something like that. So hey, you see.
Man is not well.
Yeah.
Man.
Not well. Yeah, that's
shame, such a nice
Hey,
guy.
Sorry, Mr. Matumani, man. We need a prayer. We need a prayer.
So ngibani othatha space sakhe nyalo?
He's
Because-
the guy from Game.
Both.
Lo Chikano ngena ngema Saturday kuphela adlala
Fortune.
top 20 Fortune.
Fortune tekani? Not Fortune.
Aleba kadlala top 20 ngema Saturday.
XM.
Let's say.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Man, speedy recovery to the dog,
Hey,
bitch. Hey.
please.
Such a
I
nice
out to
guy.
push it, cousin, bitch.
No, it's not bad.
It's better my penis, but yeah, it's not
Yeah.
the same.
Ah,
Because remember, there was a time when I was a bam keeper.
Hey!
Bantu
Yeah.
balwa
Rivals, though, they were fighting about the thing.
Never.
babhikisha.
Abantu bata never. no keeper never. And it may be political affiliated, but I've noticed good thing, that guy has pulled dog. Allowed to stand.
Yeah, he
If you
does.
get someone by my text dog, it means you made it.
So vele beka khuluma my taxi then.
Oh, but he was a taxi driver before?
I know, I don't know about it, but because
I know,
every day makaqedza show yakhe. You taxi rank every time.
I remember Sakula asafike khona khona bekasho bekakhuluma kakhulu ngamateksi ngathi vele bekasibana emateksini ube beka taxi driver kumbe njani, I'm not sure. Yabona? But spirit recovery to him, man.
Yeah, please,
Yes,
please,
really
no, we
good
really
to
need
him.
him.
Yeah, I know.
We really need him.
Yeah, I know.
Spice to sky.
Spice to sky about.
Yeah.
Hey, that's how we put it.
Angazi ngene phakathi.
Awukazi ungena ekhaya. Hey, mfana, hey.
So what are you saying? Awucabanga ukuthi like uthi umoshe imali like that place la ikhona khona nje environment and stuff.
Wait, Spice to sky.
The way it is dog.
Let me tell you something, my G. Let me tell you something. Here's my issue, though,
Yeah.
man. We always preach gas economy,
Yes.
but we don't understand what gas economy is.
Okay.
Uthola umuntu asuke la elokishini afuna ukuthenga something etown
Yeah.
while endikhona like complex.
Yeah.
So if you support labantu labasipanela etown, don't you think i-target la Shoprite, for instance, abayi-reach? Obviously babanga-reach i-target yabo, it means i-turnover iya-decline. Makudecline i-turnover, it means sekufuna senze njani staff. Keep a staff isikhulule ngoba ngesikhona babhadala.
Yeah.
Yabona? So le African what he was trying to do is bring the money back home. Yabona? Le mali ayibuye la ekhaya. Because if you not thola noxolo ngemantu noxolo kunema eyes. Yabona? For example, yabona? Mr. Nyoni uplan ngelibhodo. Ngiyakhona kubafaka boyithula bangithi okay, na contract yakho seze ngifuna ama ice school. Yabona? Na contract yakho Nyoni ngifuna kudla ku ngifuna amaphalishi ku. Yabona? He's bringing the pool together. You understand? So angeke ngithi it was obvious every business my cala it's a waste of money. Imali yakho yibona maybe in 3 years time, but as long as kuna structure, my brother, a building itself, it's worth something.
But sometimes ngizwe ngisho njalo ngani mina ngihlala ngase Black Queen. Phela nyalo abasavuli every day.
Khona.
Yeah, abasavuli every day. Just look at the place, look at the money that they spend.
Such a nice person.
Yabo?
Please.
They don't open every day, my brother. Like 6, 7 Thursday till Monday.
My brother.
You understand? So
Wait.
buka indumba dog every day.
Yeah.
So you need to be
Wait, my
strategic
brother.
on.
Brother. When I don't be born ngale indlela,
Yeah.
brother. Think of it in a financial sense.
Yeah.
Uhle lapha, my brother. It's uptown, it's upmarket. You understand? Stuff sakhona sinendlela yabo yokugcoka.
Yeah.
Unlike in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Right? To have those people running that place, kube ne staff, kube ne kudla, kube ne music, it's money. If leyo mali leyo ungeke uyende on Tuesday, Wednesday, ngivulelana on Tuesday and Wednesday because ayikho le mali angikhona uyenda bank. You understand? So rather cut the cost because labantu ufuna bahole. If umuntu ongena Tuesday ufuna ahole on Tuesday. Liyabhala Tuesday. Liyobhala DJ, liyobhala kuluma kulophekako, liyobhala emafrijini, igezi, all of these things. You understand?
But ngoba kusekhasi akukho busy.
Akukho busy.
Like ngiyabona ukuthi music DJ awumdingi on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just ifaka i-playlist ngene ko YouTube ufaka i-playlist udlale music.
Yeah.
Okay, awumdingi ukubhadala
It's a
DJ.
shoot of it. It's a
It's a
shoot.
shoot.
You can configure DJ Sunday, no Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning.
But
And the rest of the days, the stuff phela ungafaka umuntu munye nje.
Reduce the stuff, ne?
Sengisho kona yayibona and exactly like that. So angisiboni nami lo sidingo sokuthi lalenye into lekufuna sibuke especially eBlack Queen ipool bafethe
Ikhona
iBlack Queen
ikhawashi eBlack Queen. I think endumbeni futhi nangalo and futhi indumba singakhohlwa ukuthi sibuya vele from ebuncaneni iyawa iyavuka and futhi ngalo ivuke so I think it's also that ukuthi abantu bato vele batifikele
Automatic.
on a typical Monday batihlalele bawashise imoto
dukuduku sekugcwele
Sekugcwele.
no setiyawo
manje iBlack Queen idzinga ifuna style
Kahle kahle.
ifuna style eBlack Queen and abantu bala elokishini la abasithanda style like nice things bokhala nice
We don't have money. Yabona if a play
Abadifuni bokhala nice.
Black Queen mhlambe ngabe base Witbank. Never mind that side. At least maybe ngabe function almost every day. Ngala lokishini mfethu endoda zinokuhaba. Nasinokuhaba yona into.
Then my brother said, back to what I said about gas economy. We don't have mines. So what we do have is let's solo sakho sema-chips lesiya. Uyabona? Let's solo sakho sema-chips lesiya sitokwendela imali nawe ukhona ukuthi jabulise. Lelula. Uyabona, it's not going to be an everyday thing. But like you say, my brother, what's vele le economy asinayo kangaka to spend almost every day. Not always correct, but
abafuni and eBlack Queen batobana lento yokuthi mase eBlack Queen most of the girls kumele sigcoke sibe bahle kumele sifake makeup manje endumbeni you'll just go there unprovoked nje futhi uthihlalele uthi chilele kahle kamnandi.
And that's the reason ngisho ukuthi le business yakho ubuya ukuthi uyimarketa kuphi nini njani. You understand? iBlack Queen vele kahle dog if ngabe beyise down
ngabe ihambile she
it was gone.
ngabe
Matumani ngabe indzawo yakhe ise down. Oh, we're talking something.
Ngabe kuhambile
So if ngani masimani nanyalo siyabuka ukuthi ngani you running a podcast, you need to buka abantu ba invite out.
But that's my chance too. Ukuthi when I sort of go to these places. Okay, maybe the timing for these places.
Yeah, kind of.
yeah futhi timing nje
But in a more optimistic sense, I understand why they exist. You understand? We're trying to bring the economy back to Ikaya, but it doesn't make financial sense.
Yeah, it's not.
You understand? It doesn't make sense because yakosta, credit business yakosta mngani wami.
And then basi bafuna kucala wendele yabu Thursday ukuthi kube ne cocktail, free cocktail blah 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 blah. Yabo. Nanyalo sebabuka le ndo ukuthi ngiyiplay le pop up.
nama strippers asekhona
Sengafika ama strip.
Wait, the strippers there?
no Black Queen
Yeah, bebayendela ukuthi ngathi kube ne strip lapha eTulu, but isengendekanga le nto le.
it has never happened mina ngeve ukuthi bekwenteka mos
Mina ngiva ukusebenza
Maybe.
Yeah,
strippers. Oh, when this club in town, is it H something?
H2
No.
Clap.
Yeah, I think it's a club. What? Kamera look we bana bayipostile laphana.
Now we need a strip.
Yeah, look ukuthi baposta vele ukuthi down. Classic what? Classic lounge. Yeah, bayasho ukuthi ngilanga lelisoko lema stripper vele yabona bakhiphe amaposta.
Mara kuyagcwala. But that one is town. I think location angeke igcwale. Engodini. Kuyokuba nema strip le ndzawo yaMacbeth. Before iba yaMacbeth, ne? Oh, before
Mara guys, we also need to look at the type of strippers.
You're saying ukuthi ufuna ukuba indzawo dog. Ufuna ukuba indzawo ukucala ukuthi kuphi nako konke phela indzawo iyachaza konke ukuthi isikuphi. Iyachaza indzawo ukuthi isikuphi. Yabo. Ake uthatha indzawo yaseJozi uyifake ngala. Indzawo yasePitori uyifake ngala.
Yeah.
We don't have money this side.
do we even have a club here
We don't.
we don't have a club
Proper club.
We don't.
mara ngibone nini ku Facebook beba advertise ngathi sekuyoba ne what's that place laba bhema khona amahabli kakhulu in Joburg yini adumile mani there's iqala ngasi bathi bayayivula ngala well it's a franchise yeah
Okay.
I say Cubana it's Cubana
Cubana mara existed before.
mara bayifana ukuthi vele kuba nemahabli strictly hablis
Oh, it's gonna be strictly Hablis. Okay. No, shout out to them, man. Shout out to them. If you don't bula, shout out. Yeah, but so Gonyalo, that's the news I have.
So ne lona bathi ngibani manje mfana lo ubeka fana na ngibani manje le nto batende yawina ngathi 2 years back what do you call this thing? Now yeah, idols. Not idols man. Lawo kilo bathi manje lawo kuyizo wafisa ngena khona man.
Big Brother
Big Brother.
Ngibani manje le ngathi uthiwa
Bobo Deep.
Manje umfana lomfana.
Oh, I love that guy.
Umuntu.
Themba.
Themba.
I love him. Ayo,
Themba.
ngile ngaba live naye futhi ku Instagram. He was live. I love this guy. Ngiya request. And then I just kept on blushing. I've got yo, mara naye ngase ke right. Ngathi ushaya the Matumane vibe.
Yana ingasa normal. I-producer yakhe bathi
It's not crazy.
i-producer yakhe ikhulumile nyalo ukuthi bikale i-podcast ikhulumile ukuthi ushaye umuntu. Themba ushaye umuntu.
Shiba shit type guy.
Yo, ngathanda njalo abantu abanjalo.
Bathini bona.
I rest my
I know
case.
we coming to that one. Ushaye umuntu umshaye half dead. Oh, yeah, but half dead.
Like
Themba.
Yeah, Themba, yeah, bathi
Khona la bekavuvuke khona
ude
futhi.
ude producer yakhe beyacala ukumbona basi nomuntu bekentshintshile labusweni. Bathi ne clip bekamshuta bekentshintshile labusweni bekambulala vele bathi awuthoza zacela ukuthi ayindoda mina nginabantwana ngicela makusuka
Bashaya bantemba
bashaye Themba ushaye
Yeah.
makusuka wahamba le out wahamba Themba wasala iproducer lapha studio.
Yeah.
After lokho kwafika labantu le out yafika nebantu ashaya iproducer. Shaya
Themba
iproducer so
uku.
kubaleki akekho manje. Mahle mahle. Out i-right ngathemba no longer
Akasafuni ukusebenza naye.
Uthi awuthi no man ngathi unemadimoni man.
That's funny.
Hey, this guy. Umuntu phose wafu yahleka.
That's funny.
But no, but that guy is not funny. But I say grand.
Avele yena ngathi ake
Listen,
kuse right.
listen, Jab. At some point, you're gonna answer to everything you've done in life. Boom.
Yeah, Qobo
At
uqinisile
some
shem.
point in life, you're
And
gonna
that's
answer
given.
to every bad thing you've done
Yeah.
in life. You're gonna answer to it.
And ngeke
I'm
wathi
not
ukuthi
saying-
lokhu sekwenteka
Yeah.
ngenxa
Yeah,
yalokhu
yeah.
ya.
And I'm not saying Guti, this is Themba answering for his sins.
Yeah.
I don't know his sins. Yabona. But abampoa badima bebasolo bakhala mfethu.
And futhi ungakhohlwa nokuthi
Guy.
Boy has been crying, Yana Themba loku, Themba this, Themba that.
But he's young. How old is
Yabona,
Themba?
but
yeah,
you know,
he's
you know,
young.
you know,
Mpo's older.
no.
Yeah.
Besides being young, let me tell you what the issue.
Hey, fame is something.
It's not even fame.
Yeah.
It's like Nicolo said, kumthanzile kuThemba. Umbude yini ukuthanzeka Themba?
He's G.
He's she how?
He's ghetto. I love ghetto guys.
Uvile.
Yeah.
Themba is ghetto, right? How are ghetto guys?
Akancengi. Ngiya
exactly.
impama eshayise yeah, like
We have-
that's what I like.
And that's not positive. That's not a positive thing.
Yeah, it's
That's not a
not.
positive trait. You understand?
But you don't have the same
It
thing.
works. It works. Even good at it works on some things, but you can't apply it to everything.
Yeah, I know.
Because life needs you to be.
Humble.
Yabona, exactly.
Yeah, balance it.
So, labantu lo share ungene kuThemba. I don't know kumbe bekatshela ukuthi tomshintsha obeka expect ukuthi Themba uyoba something else
Boshiwe
makasanaye.
Themba wathi-
Yeah,
Yeah, I think so.
umboshile.
Dog, you wamshila shebe shit wena. Shit
Emele
wena.
lo
Shit wena.
ipost
Yeah,
kobo.
trend nyalo wena.
Alo ipost kakhulu lo.
Ulona Simon nyalo. I don't know balo yini lenye celebrate nyalo memfana babanga something ukuthi bathi ugcina babulela nokwayivanga nayo ba trend. Shebe shit na.
Lo ipost kobo.
I know shebe shit is too much.
I love him.
Uthi uthi wena ungacala ukukhuluma uligwala wena.
And it-
Ubhadala
and
amaphoyisa
it-
50,000 bebakufuna nyalo nyalo.
And then there's a mindset to go to city. These people have. I think they think. You know that song, Jay-Z? Is it Jay-Z? Something about Forever Young. Ngasutshela ukuthi uyoba mncane until
Forever.
dog, you're getting a hole, my G.
Yeah.
Yabafana labancane bafika la babhayizisa bakushaya cause
Ma 2000.
ugcine ujiwe. Bakubule bakusukuma matata. Unengozi no. Ah, dog, come on.
I know the No, let's get back to you.
Angeke uthi ul-celebrity uvela ku-TV uyakhiwe South Africa bese you will appear on videos kuma-tavern
Assault abantu.
Yeah, uyayibona nje.
Something.
Isidima ke.
Mina ngicela ngifuna ukunibuta ngale yinye futhi.
Yeah.
Leyo nibona i-right leyo ukuthi sonke vele ezimphakathi asikayanga emgcwabeni waphingile.
Ngiyaqala ngifa. Kuthi asikaya.
Okay. I don't
I don't get it. You don't get
No,
it.
no, no.
You do get it.
I get it. But
Because let me tell you something. Immediately they said this guy passed away.
Yeah.
Already people started planning for outfits.
Yeah, the way.
Planning for outfits.
Yeah.
Mina in person. So mama cecile sebathi sebamgcwabile I start kusekumele ukuthi nithini nini.
so would like there wasn't a big hoo-ha ukuthi sesibemgcwabe nothing.
No.
It was quiet.
Ngaphendele sabhekishile.
Okay, so manje abantu bebathi ukuthi umngcwabo unini.
Bebangathi ngisho ukuthi njani.
Mhlawumbe bangafuni phela ukuthi
This course guy.
Mara ku right nje cabanga noxolo so shonile sebamgcwabile.
I don't think ngani bathi celebrate umgwaqo.
it's a family thing.
Yeah.
Kona siyavuma bekaphila nebantu. Yabona bekaphila nebantu nabo bebafisa ukumcelebrate as a community befisa ukumcelebrate.
Yeah.
Yabona but ngiyacabanga ukuthi another thing le discourage ifamily ukuthi not to get the public involved is maybe the commotion.
Yeah.
Yabona
would happen.
emgcwabeni yabona now sikanatho obviously that's what we do sikanatho sekunema after test sikaspino
No, beside lokho mina sometimes
and it's not ukuthi ku bad yabona but sikhumbule ukuthi ngesintu that's not allowed isiko alivumi yabona
Kuthi umuntu amane ngcwatshiwe privately.
alivumi ukuthi letino besitodenda boma after test nan
Oh.
isiko alivumi lokho sizilile ekhaya you understand
Yeah.
sizilile sishonelwe sifuna kuba sithi restrict sithi valele you understand so imagine sebabita noxolo bathi noxolo bring your friends bring the whole community you know ukuthi noxolo you shy bomb lapha nokuba ibomb leserious to understand so I feel like that's what the family was trying to prevent ukuthi hey guys siyakuthi if sikabatshela ukuthi ingcobo yophuma nini
Mina lapho ngifuna ukukhuluma about ukuthi umngcwabo uphuma nini yathi most of the time bafuna kwenda siko thiteni because udutshiliwe lo muntu kani. Nelisiko thiteni lifuna kwendiwa manje if bangabona lo mtimba uthi ku bantu batofuna komgubha back la bende those incident la bende le incident le. So manje kwendekile na ku Rockman Press.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Kwende kanjalo vele. Like
na press it wasn't
Yeah.
Yeah, now
Bamgcwaba
bakhumbula
early,
ukuthi they said
bamgcwaba
ukuthi
kuqala. Angesathi.
angesathi njengoba singathi kwathi abantu
So wena
abaclose
thuma
lapho.
bhokisi esikhathini esiningi uyangcwatshwa. Akuphi?
Just where umngcwaba khona.
Bangcwabe khona phela we don't know. Bangcwabe khona. Yeah. So vele kunelisiko lebafuna kulihenda yabo because ubulewe kabuhlungu ngemora lo muntu.
Yeah, that's
So,
the thing.
So that's the reason.
And then there were shots fired my complex. What happened?
Hey, ngichambe ngiyabuya.
yabona leyo ngivile understand ukuthi deep bamo ma cricket or yini I didn't understand ngeva ngisasa bathi ma complex I don't know the story
Lies, guys. Anacabanga
I
ngicocele.
do not know the story but abantu bebeza bagena and I'm thinking okay bangena complex or bangena store kule store bangena kuso onjani I don't understand yabona I don't know but I think maybe there were people taking chances
Go church ma complex.
bafuna ngena ya
Yeah.
I think maybe bafuna kungena laphana yabo bakuthule something like a complex and then sasa bese sofa ukuthi bagcikizile maybe ma ATMs yabona because yakhumbula ukuthi the day before or on that day I think ngathi bekulanga le grant so sathi ukuthi malanga e grant imali bayindi
Oh, okay.
yabona so maybe bebafuna ukuthatha imali ATM befuna boma ama ATM or njani I don't know I understand yeah
I think Koskay had something to say.
No.
About the shooting.
Mina ngife ukuthi netbathi ibani labadzala abashajiwe. Ngibani labadala? Boba bwethu.
Koskay.
Boba bwethu. Yeah.
Okay, mina what thing that I heard about that story, ne? But the girlfriend. I mean I will call names. Ngani it's a podcast.
Yeah.
Agliwa ngile ngukuvile nami. But
don't implicate yourself don't call names
Oh, mustn't call names. But there's another like when ngiyabekisa udate noXolo. NoXolo double card your complaint.
Oh yes.
That's the story you heard
Yeah, I also heard that story. Yeah.
don't leave me
Double
out
card, ma double card. Alinga ukuthi ethepa na. Athola ukuthi levumo lithepe athethe lekathatha.
Yeah.
Kanti lo muntu akalahlele kumele card solusa around.
Use sports ulithephe ngathi esports scene.
what time was this
No phela it happened ngathi kumbe day before girl wahamba kumbe wathepha ngalo kusasa kwakhona noma ulidobhe kusasa kwakhona.
Azama mthole sometime.
phela mara bekuvaliwe phela tibham thina sitive
before tibham phela ngani sisachaza story mina ngivathi uThephe Likhadi angathi uSiphi isitolo bamthola yabo bamthola waba nezimbambamba yabo
Okay, wait. Girl uThephe uThobelikhadi.
yeah
Wahamba ulisebenzisa.
Yeah.
same time udobha nyalo usebenzisa nyalo
That's wrong. Girl lo wait, mawusona ligama lemuntu bosho girl. Name and shame.
game gela ngimathi ngingathi guy ngathi lamagayi laba ngano
Yeah.
noma batana bangitshela ukuthi ngibani ngathi lamagayi
esitawututshulwa la
so sinoma siphi akuva sonke akuva ani ngixoxa mina ngixoxa leba ngixoxele kona so lapha bathi girl athephe konke lokho bambambe
Yeah.
security and stuff tholakala vele asiyena hayi no baba mina ngayibhadala le mali mabasho
How much was it?
I don't know ngathi 1000 plus if I'm not mistaken
mina apparently but it was 9K
9000
no bathi igirl bahambile baya ko swipe kumbe Shoprite bathenga igroza
Hayi.
mabaqedile
Yakale bantu.
thula phela ngikutshela what's happening after that wahamba waya elo sports scene wathi kumbe sofuna ukuthi swayiphela like clothes or something like that kani mtshita wekhadi use Standard Bank ufuna gold blockies before the guy even blocked the card babona ukuthi liswapha sports scene and of which is just la nala
Wow.
ngilana la uyabona then bathi bahambe bafike babathatha babavalela angathi kumbe babavalela somewhere khona lapha
Okay.
yes
oh bengasi one girl
kela ngathi kusibase bekahamba nabani
Obvious social mngani.
yeah and of which nambele ngadopha wouldn't you do that hey wena vele nami belololoma
Okay.
uqhubeka ngestory akusuka girl athi yena baba ngayibhadala imali njengoba sebamtholile yabo
Okay.
okay bafonele papa mara girl ngathi bacale bamwasha
Okay.
bafonele papa bathi baba naye bambhamule
hayi bo
ngina ngive kona
mina ngisho ukuthi bathi bashaye abantu abadala old people
babhamule papa bafonele bani
Okay, bamshayile.
bafonele boyfriend bafonele boyfriend ngithi singabithi magama bafonele boyfriend is known like kazi yabo ede boyfriend
Bambule naye.
boyfriend ngasigcine kuba nemisindo kuliwe boyfriend mara ngasuthi ne crew yakhe yabo
Okay.
sekushathwa laba labashaye girl
Okay. Okay.
ne security company lapha ngani
Delta Force
Delta Force kuliwe makusuka hayi ba release ngathi khanja ngathi usubhadaleni kumbe kwende kanjani kude lengalazi hayi soyedwana endlini yabo
Hayi wagela.
bathi fiki Delta Force
Itekga.
bathi sibamba bathi babangani bakho baseza ngathi ezamdlalo wamabhora ngema-Tuesday
kanti nabo nalabo mkhulu bayaboza
ngani bomkhulu bashaye ngathi I don't know ukuthi guys bathatha bani boy out wagela so ushatshiwe bafuna bangani bakuphi basezala dlala ibhola kufezama kufikezwa bathi behamba ngema-quantum labantu mabasho thola kudlala ibhola kugcwele Delta Force fune bangani ngani yathi masamba simba nema-crew i-crew yeboy ya-out lapha hawu ngathi bathi majida bafanele babuthi ukuthi laba sitanako la ngobani yabo yabona bathi balizanyiwe bathi bangena sibambana basinabantu abaphuka etinyawo
hayi
lenza nje mina ngayivana kahle guys andoda bathi kukhala simbambamba kwakhala sipamu bathi yabona ngani nemfula ngalezana bathi nabantu bangene ngane emfuleni bakhohle ngathi bathi baphuka etinyawo labanye bathi basithi ibhekele if I'm not mistaken bathi vele kunebantu abalimele kakhulu so isipama sesiva sesikhale complex sekuliswana
Retaliate.
yeah
ngani bashatshiwe
Ngasezazi yabuya.
ya le
ene vele ngeke base bahlale bathule
yabo so that's the story that I had
Let him start.
Nelikhadi
Nelikhadi. mara asingathi likhadi
Mara naye bhuti ngoba njalo sekunema uma ulilahlile nalibona abalisebenzisa waye wangena efonini ublock ikhadi lakho
yathi ingcono maseyilahlekile nani 3.5 sosuyalahleka ngale Shoprite
angibathi namjita lo lahlela likhadi sho ukuthi ngathi kumbe likhehla naye ngathi sho ukuthi bekasadidekile or what
ya ngoba phela uma ungahlela ikhadi ngiyabona ukuthi uyasebenza ngiyaliblock ngithi
bathi balimele
What
bafowethu
the?
hey
Hey, yo.
sorry to you
ayibo.
no ayisimnandi
ya shem
ngiyathi ukuthi uyohleka vele stage no day ngoba ngokunguka phela bayabona balimele ngiyaqhubeka kuyahleka
phela mama sowuphukile ngekhala so
akusabathi umuntu uphuke inyawo usibona fakathi insimbi
hayibo
I'm telling you bathi uphuke inyawo usibona fakathi insimbi
yo
No, we need to follow up on the story, guys.
le story sizivile njani kusi
We need to follow up. Kuna sole detective Lopez Lelicala. We need to follow up the story because there's a lot of facets that I don't understand. What's the section abantu zakudujulana tipam?
hayi net number ngicocela ngimandinde ngabe ngilikhipha lonke
Wakhipha lonke.
lokunye angisakukhumbuli kahle
wamanzi into
mara balicoca lonke laphelela net ngoba shem
yeah you know it's a painful matter that happened no as khona lenye issue yakho loyikhulumile about ukuthi uyathanda those those guys that they are baramumu you
Type ya.
yeah type yan angithandi kuba tuke relationship lekuthi say serious ukuthi thina sekumele sihlale sifrownile bo lavi davi
I have a question for you.
yeah
Because one time,
it's about the relationship
no, it's about her. One time,
uyamphazamisa mhlakule
one time, remember we did a show together on radio, right? It's not always free spirited person.
yeah
Wangitshela ukuthi yena akathandi kuba
serious
no, bathini is it monogamous relationship. I-relationship lokuthi sibukene mina nawe ngimnawo kuphela uthi akayifuni leyo. Kunathi nje ngaba
yeah namathi kungaba na
yeah, sibe 3-4.
yabona kukhala tibhamu nje sona no ukuthi nje I don't like it honestly like it's boring me
So ngifuna ukuthi nyalo sebayingaki
Nyalo right now I don't have a boyfriend right now
at all.
I don't have a boyfriend right now but there's this other Nigerian guy that I like ne
Fine is this one now.
but you know these Nigerian guys from Nelspruit bantu babathatha ngathi
uhlala phaka bobo
no ayiloyo
No.
ayiloyo sheme yena no Ghosty no usho Abdul no it's not Ghosty usho Abdul lona userious and ngingize ngimkhulume sheme ligama lakhe baby akafuni vele manje no ayisi serious
okay.
ayisi serious net ukuthi like happy ukuthi yabona right nje
Yeah.
but yeah I don't like being in a relationship whereby say sesibukene so ithuna like ngiva ngathi utombora I come from a very toxic relationship so angisafuni
Uthanda le toxic.
uyi toxic ukuthi ufuna kubukana nami kuphela he becomes too obsessed kuthi nje nanyelo most probably ubhacile la ngemuva usilalela
Wait. Is there someone who's obsessed?
yeah
With you?
yeah
Hi.
yeah no I've had so many guys that are obsessed about me in my life net ukuthi ngoba ngiyalo nje vele
what's special about you
If now
baby she is good
no ngi chicken dust chef akude ngi chicken dust mina ngivele
Okay,
so
what don't you do?
what don't I do
Yeah, or do you do everything or you don't do something?
I don't do anything I promise you
no it can't be
guys phela
Leluthu
futhi with this guy name I think ungene kimi and I was at my lowest like bengekho right and he was there for me
The
so
stalker guy.
yena ungene kimi ngendlela yokuthi ujabulise ukuthi uJola nanoxolo mabuza and noxolo mabuza ngilowa kudzala phela mina right now angimind ukuthi angathi ukuthi sothi ngihlalele futhi lapha kaMthungu eBottle Store sekude ukuthi ngelo dofa ukuthi basinoxolo yo so loni but still
dog okay Continue. Yeah, no, I
So
understand.
kubang logo, so I think Jolly ajabulisa ukuthi ujolana noXolo mabuza, and I pray for him ukuthi ngathi angaba right,
I
release lo noXolo mabuza in his head.
We need that guy.
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
You don't need him.
We are on the podcast. Us, not you. Which goes here? Yeah.
Just a throwback.
When we are because.
Bro, some cancer, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
No,
needs
we need-
intervention.
No, he's gonna be fine.
Nah.
Yeah, he's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine.
You know how
Yeah.
many years? How many years? So that's the problem there.
Yeah, it's the guy you know. You know how many years?
How many years? Not the problem there. So there's some problem.
Any shop Johnny.
Yeah, he's fucking smart.
Smart.
He's very smart. Very
No,
smart.
he's a proper thinker.
Intellectual.
Yeah, he's a proper thinker.
Yeah.
Go on look,
Oh, you talk too much.
Smoke too much.
Oh, talk too much.
Oh, it's all level.
Yeah, maybe ngaba ngiyokuthi imenda ukuthi acabange kakhulu shem.
Sure.
And at the end of the day noma singabuyelana shem vele mne I don't even think I don't want to get married.
Oh, no, certain.
Yeah, yena ngiyacabanga ngaba nemali vele angacabanga
Oh, nyala
ukuthi
kana
even
ma.
nekusasa.
What do you like about him? That's my question. What attracted you to him?
What attracted me to him is because I was lonely. I mean, I become lonely, Shem. I become so lonely, it even becomes a bore to me. And ngcine ayikuthi abengamthandi ne bengimthanda
Nyalo ke?
nyalo. Facts are not given. Honestly, no, I don't. Facts are not given. Lokuthi I become bored, yabo. And my man, my Niger guy, he's too busy in town.
Oh, yeah. So
Yabo, he's too busy. And I mean, yabona, if I were to get married, I'd get married to a Nigerian guy.
Why?
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 Banempato, those guys.
Oh, you mean Mpato isn't like Mpato. Oh, okay.
Gobo, I love.
I
Gobo. And then now the
culture.
wedding, yeah, and I'd get married to a Nigerian guy, yeah.
You can have it, but you
Yeah, you can see.
If you want to understand? Yes, our relationship dogs.
Hela nje.
Ah, good.
Let's work hard.
And I mean, I go fast futhi lapho. I'm not a I don't love thingy. I'm a concy.
Nah.
Go.
Why not take them 5?
Good thing as you
Go, Shem.
Why not take them 5?
I'm not fancy, Shem.
Oh, you're not into the dancing.
No,
Okay.
I'm not.
So if you probably date, you say outside to go to a relationship, day one. So probably if you date an abonga, let's just cut this.
2 or 3. 2 or 3. And most of the girls.
Do they know each other? The guys?
No, they don't.
They don't find out.
But do you tell them, there's another one? Oh.
Well, I mean, and let's not forget, because there's one guy that I loved and fucked shit up in my life.
Which one?
The only guy. Yabona, lokuthi nguye, but vele ngihlale ngithi console ngithi yabona, it's over. There's nothing else I can do. Yeah.
I never was low very but cool.
Ngiyazama Shem, ngiyazama and
Wait, my brother, usho ukuthi
That's very
bocheri bangangena kuwe.
that's low.
No
Yena. No call basa khona kuma guys.
Nanyalo, anganaza sinatha asizama.
Kamfane.
Njemara ucabanga ukuthi nje ngisana i-chance ukuthi singabuyisana. Every day singathi awuhlala kumntana.
That guy.
Hey, yes.
Oh,
Umntana
guy.
Ay, man.
Mara nje enu ucabanga ukuthi nje
ah go.
Which one? I know say ham. Yamba get side.
Yakuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngibuta lokho kuliphi side ne. Ngifila ngathi ngimvise ebhlungu kakhulu yabona, and I regret so many things. That's why I'm the way I am. I'm the way I am, and angathi ukuthi yini lokho ekustop.
Change.
Mara tosa ngibuya ngastop.
Yena angabuyi. 98.9 chances, yes, but
Angekukhona kahle.
angeke kusakhonakala.
What's special about him, that guy?
Very nice guy, that one.
Nah.
Very nice guy. Very down to earth, nice guy. Very business minded, even. You know, like so we also wanted the same thing in life.
When I was
So yeah, I mean, ngashisa tino enentishisa whereby angiboni,
Yeah,
yabona?
vele awukuzivela
Angiboni ukuthi yabona
Nawuvikele lento leyo.
ngiyalo ngiyamosha.
Yeah.
And then ngiyobona ngothola egcineni. Phela it's close to how many years now? 6 years.
Since in breakapile.
Yeah.
And you still not over him.
Oh, dog.
If
Why
not
not?
6, 7, I'm not sure.
Why not, dog?
If
And
not
we
6,
love how many years?
7.
We love
And
how
what
many
I
years?
hate the most, Kuti,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Leyo mina inkinga yami ukuthi ngiyabalisela.
Okay. How did you fuck things up? How did you most?
I cheated on him
Oh, but many times.
a lot.
But many times. There's a story that trended about not story and that guy, ne? Because one time there's another guy was at town at Duma. I don't know whether it's true or what. But the guy by engineer guy. No call him now as in the data.
Yeah.
By a game.
Wait.
Maxuga
Oh, okay.
guy the way we understand we are no call she's making money. Because like couching. When I couching.
Ay, leyo manga, no.
Oh, but you
know what happened, ne? I had my birthday, ne?
Aye.
Sahamba
cousin.
It was my birthday, ne? We went to Senton. So it's who, ne?
Na guy.
Yeah, na guy.
The boyfriend.
Which one?
The boyfriend.
No, nae.
Lolo ngakhona iphuma kuye wena.
Yes, the ex-boyfriend. Sahamba, we went to Senton together, ne? I booked everything. Ngamtshela ngathi akabite one of his friends. Siye so sambe so too. Sahamba vele mina nebangani bami we did like I had a strip kind of party, ne? Because we were wearing my lingerie and then bona they decided to go bahambe baye kodlala Monte Casino to go gamble, ne? And then extend masivuka ulele ekhawuchini ngamshutha mina. Ngamshutha and then I posted. Ngikhumbula ukuthi ngaposta ini ngakhumbula ukutrenda lokho. But it was nothing like that.
So it was meant to look like he
No,
was with the other guy while the
yeah.
boyfriend is sleeping in the couch.
No.
Finally.
He was not stupid like that. But what I can say,
I don't think there's a guy who do that.
yeah, he was not
Never
stupid.
say never in this world.
I'll say out.
In this dog in this world.
He was not stupid like that.
Awukaze uvuthi kunemuntu leba like ne date noxolo. And then nibe nemntwana. Lo mntwana is2. Solakala ungasi wakho wami. But wena kubeka delele lo.
Yeah.
Good sex.
Kuyenteka la ikazi.
Good lo mntwana
Lo
siwa.
is2. Akusiwakho mara mfana.
Mara-
Guys.
Awukwathi wena lokho.
bonke bangabi bakho
It happens dog.
It happened.
It happens.
And you
No,
know.
oh mfethu. Awukwathi?
It happened.
No. Just kahle ke safuna sishaya ama podcast and podcast is awusatomove noxolo. Noxolo ke yedwa sithola sendaba. Sithola hleli ngana break with atsakwe guys hleli lapha ngaphandle ngifuna umention amagama abantu yabo. Simajida behleli more than 8. If I'm not mistaken, benimajida mahleli lapha ngaphandle. Wasi guys, can I tell you something? Uthi thina masihleli manomatane sikhulumani ngani? Nganani mani majida niyakhuluma ngathi
Oh, okay, yeah.
Kahle nangintshela ukuthi thina sikhulumani ngawo. Wasimention ngama-1 wena so wena. Akusaya. Majida lama yaqabana lo.
Yeah, khona lo mebe
Yeah, lo mese personal and lo muntu uqala wasicela lapha ucela permission usicela
Avuma.
ucela permission
Wasikhuluma.
wasikhuluma khuluma dog it was another one that's when it was another one yeah but it was a fire dog
No, she is known to have people 5, chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, she is known. Anything of it.
no
So pass.
yeah no she's grown
Yeah, so
now you can tell makwabani
Wazanda. Unathi Jeje.
That.
Jeje futhi uthi once dated Jeje wena musa
Jeje is my baby's father.
oh RIP to Jeje
Yeah, man.
mara wena udatile sakhule bona ucolo bekuma crash ethu phela nokucolo data na who do you call this guy sayemtsala sabakudate thina ndoda
Hey loyo ngathi nguye velele.
ngokufakela idemo
Hey,
ngolo kufakela idemo
No.
ufuzele kazi school basinoqolo data uyabaleka ekhaya kubo lenye out adventure yini abana ngimncane ngisaba nokuqabuza
We're gonna.
I don't know
I think I was 14.
cabanga You're dating.
Yeah, I think I was 14.
And
How old were you?
serious relationship.
The first time you ashkara around the banga.
I think I was 13. Kona lap 13.
No, it still wasn't child.
Nguye Sam.
It was before him.
Yeah, it was before him. Lo munye le nyalo beka trend na yenini.
Sam.
Bakhipha ipost yakhe bathi li rapist bayamcala.
Yena Sam.
No,
Oh,
I
the
The guy,
said
the
Oh,
guy,
you're
the guy.
The first one.
the first one.
When did you
Post
check
Panama.
on
Yeah, bayamcala.
Ne. Man, this thing.
of-
Did you see? There's a case opened against Mdwana. Ne. Bantwana banyana. Mdwana lo hambe
Yebo.
mntwana esikolo uhambe waya boyfriend. They did their things. The boyfriend wabuya endlini wathola endlini wafika endlini sekulady. Sebabuta ukuthi wena ubuya ini. Wa create a story mntwana. Wathi mntwana yena beka hike. 16 or 15-year-old.
Yeah.
Beka hike. Beka sukela eLimberg kumbe beka eLimberg somewhere there. Bafika bafana bepholo bamthatha. Bamba naye esigangeni, bamrape, bamnikeza imali, wala yena le mali engilukisela bo ekhaya kubo. Kanti that's not the case. Mntwana beka na boyfriend, bena whatever they did. So phela ngokuthi bamrape. Amaphoyisa avulele yena licala mntwana.
Oy, bayithini
Yeah.
bayithini. Oh, lo boyfriend balingana yini?
I think, yeah.
Mina buta mina about those issues dog. Mina ngibuya ku.
You have a rape case, my brother.
Mina statutory.
Yeah, nami
Yeah.
kwasuka kwathi stage tari
Yeah.
rape.
How old was she?
I think she was 16 that time.
She's old enough, 16.
I mean, 3 years, 4 years back.
Oh, she wasn't 16 then. Oh.
So, hey, lama case lawo siyawa dog. We know them. Ukuthi bantwana baphume bathi baya kuphi kani.
And then la ngaphandle, base sebafaka le facade ngathi badzala bona,
Dog.
badzala. So you wouldn't even think because even
Yeah.
lama establishments is now.
Yeah.
Kude lento ukuthi bato enforce umthetho ukuthi sicela kun ID yakho. There's no such thing. Yabona? So even a 14-year-old uyakhona ungena anasetshwala and you think vele ukuthi yeah, you think
Kwendekalani le baze bafa labantwana labancane.
Yebo.
Abantwana abancane. So it happened dog and ngibo labaphatha imali idlula labantu abadzala ngibo labaspenda like nobody's business. You understand? Mabangekho ebunanzini mahurumana wethu. Mahurumana wethu.
That's what I said.
Uhulumeni awuthenga amaveve.
That's what I said, my brother.
Yeah, awuthenga amaveve
My
dog.
brother, that's what I said, my brother.
banemivimbo.
For a businessman lothengisa tshwala uma ufuna kwenda imali, you should have these young girls around. You'll see Makhutman.
And that's the reason yalo bayendele strategy lesi ukuthi ngema Thursday bayendele cocktail
Ladies
for
night,
for students.
Yeah, students, yeah.
And ngifa ukuthi bathi labantwana baba UMP ngiyalo vele babathatha babalanza ngema taxi vele
Basho njalo last week, yeah, I saw that.
Vele.
Baba, drop off.
Eza
Yeah, babalanza ihlaphi yafika ikhipha itaxi kwantami inthathe.
babalanza.
Yongishiya ihlaphi inthathe yobuyisela endlini.
But labo batsala vele musi.
Mara sebadala.
Ngoba kuhlungu usulanza abantu abasethembeka.
But the problem is when uzoke ekhaya kubo Limpopo bathi ukuthi umfunza lo mntwana.
Dance mafia
Fika
ngani.
la mntwana.
Hey man will show you.
Ba multitask dog doing two things at once. They're doing two things at once dog. Phela yabona mina into lengisola kakhulu Instagram. Abona Instagram those pictures dog. Hey labantwana funa bathengisa phela. Phela many of those kids I'm telling you dog.
Mara vele most of the
Dog.
most of the people
Oh.
on Instagram they sell, bro. Like I'm talking
Dog, I'm talking from experience.
Exactly. Vele.
Sell, man.
Kude lokunye. Vele mara ngiyalo it's a
Dog,
trend.
we have bought many of them.
Ndoda sekude umsebenzi futhi.
Many of those kids.
Yeah, I think,
Semele
I
sendeni.
think that's one of the biggest factors. So the only way to make money for them.
But mina into engivisa buhlungu in dog ne. Sometimes into lengivisa buhlungu ngize ngaso ngigcina ngime ngesexualini. Kuthi labantwana baba lapha emaclubini ne. Ubona lamahurumani lakhohlakele ukuthi labantwana boba chamela play. And bayadla amahurumani akho.
Yeah.
You understand? And lo mntwana kamad lo hurumani lo. You understand? And labantwana bakusaba. Phela abantu basaba eclinic dog. Let's talk the truth.
Abaye kusaba shema.
Yeah, iclinic yasaba umuntu ngamana abe nesisu la nusa eclinic.
Abaye kusaba.
My brother,
Yeah.
I think they need to understand ukuthi this thing le ndlela bayisabako yokuphilisa bona. And at the end of the day, it's it's way better to know your status
Then not to know
than not
it.
to know at all,
Yeah,
my
it's
dog.
dog.
Because we have to put ulwa nani. You understand? We are going to protect, we are going to maintain. You know what's going to win. Unlike not knowing.
And ayisafani nakuqala ukuthi
not,
it's like
ayisathu-
I feel like everybody's now sick, honestly.
I start to.
Ayisathu
But
sishare.
mina ngicala nana activities ukuthi ayipholwe ngathi awasekho.
Vele sekude.
Kuqala bekakhona kuqala dog like
I want
kuqala
to say
bekakhona.
vele sekude.
Nyalo sekude nya.
Ne.
Sekude ama activities. Yeah, sisabe yeah.
Yeah, hey, yeah, ekutala
Isisaba nyalo.
ekutala besawa qala.
Imagine just a Rockman no 50 something keep umthengala idom. Dom periom whatsoever umntwana lo yabo.
Here's my-
Uyashoot phela abantu
here's my
abathanda
chat.
shoot.
Here's my chat, dog. Here's my chat. Have you noticed ukuthi labantwana kakhulu? You rather buy them alcohol than to buy them groceries.
Very they don't want groceries.
Why?
Bafuna malo bathi nje.
Bafuna ukubukisa
They want takeaways. dog.
Bese befika endlini badla sinkwa ne-art.
No, they want takeaways, dog. Nani njengoba shida nokucala ukuthi awubi nemuntu oyi-one. Uya kusina department of what one, department of what one. Ah, those girls, dog. Mina, you know the last time la ngikhwithe khona kuze ukuthi into fuck ngiyekela tshwala nani. This week ne out time siba nabo thikini, yabo? Basiba nabo thikini. Abangathi vele uzaloku flex. Bakhipha imali. Siya somewhere ngiyolanza bocherry. Iklapini ngiyolanza bocherry, coyotes whatsoever, yabo? Babuya bantwana mfethu.
Stop.
UMP people, yabo? Bavuma ukuthi thina we sell with this amount. Siyabuya vele kuba busy, you understand? Masifika sibiyela kuphi ecoyotes siyabadompa off sifuna labanye. Sithola labanye, masithola labanye. Lamahormone sekahamba wona emakhaya yabo.
Yeah.
Mina ne-outime siyalingana sinikari side endumbeni. Bavumile bocherry.
Sabile
Endumbeni.
Kubanjani?
Sabhlaba solala.
Yeah.
Yabo? Masifika out endlini yayo nami ngekhaya.
Yeah.
Hawu. Hayi say Sunday. Sunday sibiyele edrobheni sokushaya sambe siba drop off yabo. Ayi ngibe ngagula that day vele. Ngalala 8. Makusuka. Next week that same girl lebe nginayo mina. Beyivuka ekamareni lapho. Sibukana so ngeminyama.
Hawu wena la.
Yeke dog. Oh my
Njani manje?
So you see how
No, mara
small it
Njoli,
is.
so yeah, I understand, Njoli,
And
so it
just
makes
imagine
sense.
buka lamantombazane awuthi bahlala la local, bahlala dropping. Like buka the waste space isincane ngakhona. I say no dog, I know we're going to kill one another. I want to kill one another. Yabona into table.
Kubona ngincane
Kakhulu, Joe.
So mina ngiva buhlungu mawuthola i-out bathi bula le chair.
Yeah, but
Okay,
that's
yeah, what
stupid.
caused that? I think nizikhisawo sometimes. This topic we need to
You guys are more sensitive than us.
Nah.
Not in J level, do you guys know?
ngoba sometimes ukuthi abana wona mngano kungcono wena into iyatiwe ngithi simndeni la manje once yaphumela ngaphandle
Ele selihlazo seli.
Bona once yaphumela ngaphandle
Yeah.
ihlazo.
Yeah.
Sometimes kuba nzima kulamanye ama-out ukuthi like uyiswala lento leyo
Yeah.
uyigwinye lento leyo
Yeah.
usibona mina bayombona mana ngala bayadi bachitha
Eish.
Hey.
wonke umuntu uyadi
Because dog,
sesileka khona
so mina ngiyathuka like uthole umjida umbonzo umjida musu uyaphanda ugrant uyagcoka uyaclean ekari and ubhayiziswa
It's lendo- it's
ubhayiziswa
lendo-
yini
eh.
ubhayiziswa umuntu okhaya kude nemoto
Mara it's lendo-
abhayizisa kahlanje
Mara,
agule
it's-
hayi mina
it's
ngisino
lendo-
something kune
it's
what
lendo
what
it's lendo lakashilo noxolo ukuthi there's a guy like amthole at her lowest.
yes
Yabona?
yeah
The out ya investor biyena bakhe wathi lo muntu wami.
yeah
Lo muntu wami.
That's
Yabona?
it, yeah
And the worst thing is thola ukuthi nale communication ayikho.
Ayikho,
Mina
ayikho
ngikhola
at
wena khona
all.
khona.
Yeah.
mfethu. Lo nto loyifunako mina ngifuni yona.
Kahle
You
kahle.
understand?
Yeah.
So nyalo masoyivosa out ukuthi phela lento lokutshela yona akusingile lo ngifunako.
Yeah.
Bona sokubuka ngathi bomuser all along.
mina lenye into lengithusayo and sengifundzile kakhulu ngayo la likazi angiboni ukuthi ngaphinze ngiyende mhlawumbe ngaba ngibuyi mistake ukuthola wena uphansi udonsa ngamanzima yabo i-chair ngiyakuthatha mina ngiyakuphimpa you understand
Yeah.
u-dangerous towards mina dog mina uma ngikuthola uso ngikushiye nje ubuso angifunanga ngikutshintshe mina no I'm not a changer dog I'm not a changer to your life ngintshintshele wena how many okay we are trending stories lakhona ethi uRobman soyisaba for ibala kama
Yeah.
ngishayile kwabangiloko naloko how many stories lesivile la lokushini maHurumana ashaya amantombazane amthole lo muntu
Because of-
ahlupheka
yeah.
wamenda wambeka lapha
Wambeka
macetha
lapha.
ntombazane wena njani obuyela ku that guy wakhe lebeka lo wambreaka lebeka mtsinza la ngamtsinza kodwa phela kumbula uRobman ubusy in order usakwenda leyo ngiyo kona
Awuthiyami.
thina bebhizi angeke
Awuthiyami.
bakunikeze so angeke ube nemali uphinde ube nesikhathi
Awuthiyami,
se-service
lalela awuthiyami.
yeah
The issue we have
Yeah.
is the lack of communication. Number one, basaba abantu ukukhuluma asho ukuthi no bhuti shem so right kabi mina ngiyathengisa. Why don't you just say that? So
And
then-
most girls now do that.
yeah, so
Qobo,
so things
qobo.
will
oh
be there.
sesupera nto komajita msendo le
Qobo, exactly.
Fine.
kubeka sete lapho
Yabona?
Yeah.
So I feel like if you're gonna communicate ukuthi mfethu, I'm not the wife material type. Yabona? Ungangithatha utshele ukuthi njani, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Yeah.
I understand. At least une knowledge ukuthi oh hey, le engibekele story athi hey, vele litofika langa la aguquka khona. La ngaguquka, you won't be surprised.
how many do you think you're gonna have Bonoqolo Mabuza they can talk like that dog ungithola mina ngihlala le ekhayisite basemkhukhwini nanani manje usakele big house
Lalela njaya. We're living in the 21st century. We have 13-year-olds, 13-year-old but pregnant. You understand? Don't you think things like this now we're so accustomed to them? You understand? I see ukuthi right, but we're so accustomed. So we're so accustomed ukuthi namuhla yini Tuesday today. Suka la we down. You understand? Uyasuka la we down udlala lapha eAnderson. Utobabona labo sesibokuthengisa. Angisho. Cala besathi ukuthi kubabona ngemalanga la so mhlawumbe. Baphela tinyanga kubabona.
Nyalo
Njalo
every
every
day.
day. Which means tino ta evolve. Cala noqolo beka bantu bathi sewasomana nyalo.
yeah
So why is not khona iqiniso ukuthi mfethu mina hey hayi ukuthi njani mina so nethi ngifuna lokho. Indlela yokubhadala ngami ngile. Why can't you do that? Lo mfethu kwenda impilo yakho ibe mfethu yabona if you honest njama believe
post
me. Believe me.
oh hey ngotsani
Buka.
Ay,
yeah hey no in Likazi dog we living in another environment dog it's happening every day yeah lo kuyenteka and we can't change it you understand
It's
and
life.
and sometimes mina into lengikora ukuthi ungambambi umuntu ngemali umukabambi umuntu ngesisu ngemntwana understand into le umuntu angeke umbambe yeah ngumbambe umuntu ngemuthi because angeke ube consistent ukhona ukukhumbula ukuthi hey kombe ngenyanga lesofuna ngiyovuselela umusi wakhe uyokhohlwa dog you understand uyokhohlwa kutovumbuka kutovela bese kuba something else you understand
It's valid,
you understand
yeah.
so nyalo like you enter at your own risk in everything that's
yeah.
happening
Inside.
yeah according to relationship dog at your own risk
People are not honest, my dog. That's all it is, mfana. People are not honest, Jaya. Mabona, if we were honest with ourselves,
Yeah.
mfethu, yathi ukuthi mnandi nje ukuthi ube in a relationship. Mara uva ngathi lo muntu ujona naye best friend yakho.
Yeah.
Because u-free,
Awukhona
u-comfortable,
ukukhuluma naye
yeah.
noma ngabe yini.
Noma umuntu umkhalela mtshela ukuthi hey baby ngamkhalela lo ya.
Yeah.
Ayina ngakubuka ngale
ayingakho ama relationship lawo ngoba sawugcina primary sawugcina primary
So rare, Jaya.
because umuntu ufuna kusebenzisa imali phela umuntu masebenzisa imali uzosi boss you understand ufuna
Kunjalo
ukucontrol
vele.
unless ajone nemuntu lekamsabako
You know what they say, you know, that's the oldest saying. The ones who feeds you controls you.
eish
That's the old, yeah, the ones who feeds you controls you, my dog. Ngisho mina wena spani mlungu wakhe angafuna nyalo ngifuna spani ninyalo. Ushiya konke.
Mina kunema big boss lebe wangicontroller
yeah
on my previous relationships ne bangicontroller bangitshela ukuthi ena hey sesiyajabula ukuthi sesibonile ukuthi awusekhona lo muntu loyo
Eish.
yef chiki noxolo akasekho right so down next thing sengibona bona seba close sebahamba bonke sebanjani banithi mina what
Mara bebathi bona siyabonga ukuthi
I-
nyalo sengibo futhi.
sengibo futhi ngiyani
Double standard.
it's double standards
Double standard. Double standard.
kunjalo ke emhlabeni
It's best if uvele ubeke umuntu liqiniso ukubuka la mina ngiphila ngendlela le. If ungeke uyikhona ngishiye njaya ngehlise boss. Sase eli.
nanivele linda senidla abantu labadala lokho ukuthi vele senifuna ukuthi nani senifuna ukuthi nani banifide
Icala njani lento le?
angadi mina ngajolana lo munye mfana eva bambita nga-Andrea bekathi tshela ukuthi mina nginesitolo uyanyifa asi lo unesitolo athi tshela ukuthi nginesitolo wangidirilisa mfana ngathi lo uyangihlanyela lo ngathi ucabanga ukuthi ngibona lo bunhle bakhe ngathi mina
Beka.
wangithatha wathi sihambe sekohlala ngala ingodini ini uyonyendela konke sihamba saya kocasha engodini into le bengilamba yona
Lengotini.
ele Andrea Kinen asiyena mina ngimi nandi basi ngibani nandipha yena nguye
Thabo Bheka.
nguye Thabo Bheka yena vele ke khona yithi vele uyatshintshela next thing sojolana lo mnye sesi lomdzala ngala lo sesi uwabona kahle ukuthi lo mfana lona beka semgcwabeni ekhaya ubona le cute face next thing sengiva ukuthi base so drive imoto yakhe ngithi yelele bukeni nocola kana moto akana mali
hayi wena
you know bekasa ekseni bekathi makabuya etshwaleni naye ngathi ingcondo yakho besemlahla afike apake lapha esitolo bangitshela ukuthi Andrea so ulele so ufuna wena lapha esito bekasahlanya
akuzibeka sahlala mina ngifundza naye eklasini uyahlala
my brother
Yeah.
bathi kunabo bhodi
Yeah.
hey yabona leyo yona
Le baba kwasawo.
yeyi my brother
Nala lokushini basibakhona.
bakhona vele Ncumbi
papa
Maybe nathi part and parcel bathi sinjalo.
Who knows?
Yabo lento le but manje singesikhathi uyanti bakufaka lenyino nawo ungazi awe yabo.
fanele unyabunda vele kuvela
Nasekhaya baye bababala ukuthi vele balo angathi phela ngane sihambiso.
Yebo.
Mokho bathola putwako.
Itolo bekuna-
putwako bamkhosi nje, ha?
kunama-men's conference
uStani Moses itolo Moses bekasitshela lokho athi yena uyadliwa
Nomanga.
uthi itolo uthi yena uyadliwa
guys.
ande udliwa nebantu lesibati usitshela ngalomunye wangala itule ekhaya nje uthi umudla vele nakusasa uyolala kuyi
Moses udliwa yena.
kudliwa yena yes
oh
Moses asowani.
Moses
Moses.
Moses
Oh.
mani mvani ngesithi Moses Moses lo
That is Moses. Ene solo ngithe ngithola le ntombazane le lamalanga ngelo mposter wesikhathi esiningi.
Letitia.
Reply solo
Letish and basiflopile nini se bathengele tshwala sathi kumele bahambe baye ko stripper lapha ka Jackie ba connecte ngamabhili ababhadala abo 20 rand sathi yebo boyisuba nasimasa sabatshela ukuthi kungeniwa ngabo 20 rand sabaniketa imali abazange bete kule strip show
nowhere to be found.
nowhere to be found
Eish. Madoda. Hey guys, mara like
Wait.
Ma okay, yeah, khuluma.
ngifuna ukuvelenza Moses Moses uthi uyadliwa
Moses
Yeah.
mina ngibani?
Moses uyadla ngoMoses uyalandela
The trending name yakhe ngibani?
Moses
Lady Mo
yeah
Moses uthi uyadliwa udliwa abantu labathi bona ba straight
exactly
Why happy paper?
usaphila la
yeah ukhona phepha
Nami mthini
Ona phela bekakushayela amafayili.
ya mina shamba ngendlela amasimba nebangani babo bangichazele igroza so bangichazele igroza abazange bashiyele ilet ngisho nelpads
Bakuchazela ku.
kanye bangichazela bangitshela ukuthi mina ngihleti ituke lokude nesilingi ngathi hey ebangichazela igroza shempa
Othi indaba ethisaduma lapho.
ya tino tabo betisa duma mina letamvele bese kucalile kuceka lapho vele ebangichazela
Ivasi beyahlala at the rest mos. The
njani
other time kasi ngicine ivasi beyahlala at the rest. Amajidi emfethu amajidi alana mali kusane anetinto tawo lesingatati.
angathi
Awathi.
angathi vele tindzaba takhe tiyangibhora tiyabhora nje
Ngimgcina kutsala mina.
tiyabhora
vele social
naletam
media.
naletam ukuthi ngiyatinathela ngitihlalela phasi kwemgoza eyitise tingcono tiyabhora nje
Bani man like some other time ne sisubhile lapho uthingini lapho thengisako labantwana. So to sikhona lomunye lomdzala uthozona mhlambe recruit bathi recruitela omunye umntwana yabo. So hayi vele siyabhuka masibhuka nale out yami akuba busy vele wenza le one yabo. Mas busy siyantshintshana mina ukuthi bengilona nalomntwana le out ilona masintshana mina sengidakuwe mangitakuwe hawu mangipenetrate uthatha ligalo lakho ulifanga la kimi esibo yabo.
njani manje
Hawu mangithi hayi man manje sekwenzakalani so thina I know thina into wesi we understand ukuthi lona uyadliwa naye bathi majida la respect buyer enda njalo ukuthi bathi Gispo yemajida la wadliwako
bacale bamfakela
ila vele akachami ungamfaka ngalona. I'm telling you must be no church sahlala endoda lawa sahlala phasa ixoxe lenzawa sesisonke siyi4 so amajida basibana oh thina sobona njalo usibadliwa kumbe bayadla something like that yabo bayadla ungamuva umuntu asufuna kushanga le side la ngale naye bamuka
Exactly vele.
wathi sine sibona ukuthi ungafaka igalo lamuva oh bathi nanzi igalo bathanya kuphela ngathi mina what ngathi guys
Kunjalo vele.
ngathi I know guys now nail spread is too busy hey nail spread is too busy so ne
Ibhizi ina sport
bathi
shema.
vele ungaba yabona vele
Asengene eshiqi.
yeah cause phela kufanele majita lamaningi lapha bo prestige what morning vele athi
Vele yebo.
the prestige majita lamaningi
Prestige vele.
because you find the thing bathi natsako inibahla bagcokile uthola lo muntu akanamoto mara uhlala eflatini
Bayadla.
uphethe iPhone yokugcina akathendi akasebe like but ukhala se prestige every week basibapha
Liwa.
yeah nyalo ngasevele kakhulu ebaleni nyalo basevele kakhulu abantu
Okay, mara mina ngicela ukuyiva on the more technical side, because lo moya owangibuta ukuthi if i-out yakho, if wena njenge out utshela icheri yakho ukuthi wena ucela i-anal, does that make you gay?
I don't know
If wena njani?
Uyafika mjida kuwo, uyajola kahle, uthi babe ngicela kufaka sim 2.
uyatilaphi yena kucala
Does
kuna phela
that make you
seyibutela
gay?
It doesn't.
Does it make him gay?
It
doesn't.
doesn't. It doesn't.
mara to sekulula musikusa nathi kumjita
No.
Yeah, lokho ngabe kungabalula.
Lalela.
Let's remember one thing.
yeah
Tukumchita, there will be something hanging there. Then tukumchita,
There's nothing. Yeah. Peace. Done.
but okay
Lalela.
what okay
Firstly, the out. I'm talking about a straight man. The one. The out. My one. Ichiri. Over attracted to any ichiri. Angisho. The cake itself. It's not a pleasing thing to look at.
Yeah.
If you're being honest.
yeah
If you're being honest.
Yeah,
No, it's not. Angeke ngithi mina
when you
ngicela-
can't talk bad about it because it's yours now
angeke ngithi mina ngicela inude ungisendele le cake.
ujabule
It doesn't look
ujabule
tasty.
now
I'm sorry.
eh na ujabule hlangelele
Yeah, yabona mawungisendele lo mtimba wakho then I'm like yeah, yabo. You understand?
Yeah, it is
Yabo
there, yeah.
breast. Yabona. It doesn't look, it doesn't have that aesthetics. Then what sounds that? You understand? But I'm thinking with it because of attraction in the guy's mind, a guy will be okay fucks him too because he's attracted to you as a woman. I don't think out there will be attracted to a guy.
Guys, it's different.
Yeah.
It's different. I feel like it's different.
Yeah.
Maybe when that's your mbono wakho loyo mara mina ngicabanga ukuthi kungcono mina into lengayivisisi ukuthi ube nemfana amancethile senekhisana
Exactly.
I don't like
you
that.
understand?
Kisses.
That's exactly. Usho in out in the out.
I don't like that.
That's out in the out.
Yeah. Naloko
Wait, you don't like romance.
I don't. Huh? No, not romance. I don't like kisses.
Why?
I don't know. I don't. They don't turn me on.
What what turned you on then?
I don't.
Wait, okay, so
I think
before
Yeah,
that's what I'm thinking.
ngakutshela ngathi mina
If
the
you
kissing
practice it, cala njani?
Licking part.
even nokuthi mina ngiyelena nginokuthi ngiyele ngagcina kusala ngiyacabanga nemayezi uyangiva ukuthi ngithini
kanti ba-attracta ngani wona labantu
Mina.
kani
it's been years and years I don't get it
So
kanti
kuwe-
wezo-attraction kani
wait, so kuwe it's strictly business.
yeah it means like that
no even if bathi ngibe nemuntu for a long time angeke mina shem
Sengisho ukuthi okay. Sesisena le nkonzo. Yabona?
it's about me it's not about you
but
we give up.
mina that's why vele ma uthi wena ukacamanga vele sothi kubona
Exactly.
yayivele inkinga leyo yayivele inkinga lehlangana nayo yayivele problem lehlangana nayo
unless if ukuthi lento lena it's a transaction of some sort mara asifiki
Mara-
ukuthi sesigcine sesifika ukuthi lip to lip ukuthi nami sengimele ukuthi ini
Wait,
no
wait,
please leave me alone
Nokolo. You are with
and so.
your Nigerian guy.
Yeah.
Ne? The weekend you know too as a couple.
Yeah.
Niku get away nyana, yabona. Nimnandi sinna tilen bemile, yabona. Everything is happening nice. Ufuna ku initiate talent cause.
Yeah.
Njengoba uthi wena you don't like kissing. Ufuna ayicale njani?
Maybe ngokungibamba, but don't come to my mouth. Don't. What are you doing there? Don't
But, okay.
come. Don't come there.
Okay, can he kiss you anywhere else besides your
Exactly.
That's what I saw. That is what I said.
mouth? Okay.
Yes. Exactly.
I understand.
But no, don't come there. Don't. It doesn't make sense.
But it's not all about good saying.
Would you kiss him anywhere else besides his lips?
Yes.
Oh, you would?
But not there.
Not down there?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't, lollipop you don't do? Okay.
I'm not lying. I'm sure you guys are gonna take this out. I'm not lying. Kobo, bon. It's been years.
What?
I
understand. No, but if I understand a little bit before play, okay, then how do you initiate the part where now we're gonna...
I think
Anywhere else besides the lips?
and I don't, hey?
Anywhere else besides the lips?
Like
That's what I'm asking.
yeah, na kuba nguye la kayenda. You're allowed to do whatever you want, but don't come to my mouth. Please, I beg.
At first, that's the start.
That's what I'm thinking.
No,
That's
I think not all like my feelings.
Yeah,
I'm telling you. But that guy, let's call him 5 years or 6 years
thinking
back.
angabuya
Singabona futhi atrenda naye kulona muzamshaya esinani.
I'm kidding.
my brother. My brother, if you're out there, my brother, wait, my brother, if you're out there,
I know.
my brother, if you're out there, we're episode.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela. Awuchami.
Come.
Wakala, ngicela nedungene lefavor, nathi mshane ngesinqanda. Lesithe. Put your tongue in it even. Put your tongue in it. Funa bona angavuma.
Angivumi.
Flasha.
Yathi ukuthi ghosting hlale ngimtshela and I think most of the time ghosting hlale ngimtshela ngi under the influence ne.
Yeah.
But at my normal senses, I don't even think think of him. Like honestly, facts are not given.
Oh, so you
I
only
think
think of
it's
him when you drive.
I regret the things I've done to him.
Yeah.
But Nanyalo, if they were Nkumbula the treatment.
Yeah,
I don't even think he treats anybody the way he treated me.
Nah.
Let's come there. I don't. No man ngabe kuthi bathi
Ufisa anga.
I don't.
It's only her.
What if he is a please?
I don't. That's why this guy, he always threatens me. Lo, my ex-boyfriend. Then I said, "Yeah, ngeke uze umthole muntu lo yofana na." Ngathi ya, nalo yabe kasho njalo and baningi abantu labaqhamukile emuva kweni. Yiye wena. Kuthi wena ngikuphatha kabi. Wena what about labanye lo baphethe kabi? Angisho Will's turn. Wena ubhadalela lo baphethe kabi. Nami ngibhadalela le bangiphathe kabi. And vele ngiyathi mina ngiyagoka ukuthi ngiphethe abantu laba ningabhlungu kabi. That's why sekungishele so empilweni. And I'm not even able to
podcast is going to turn you back.
I'm even able to revamp myself very fast. Akusilula ukuthi ngithi revamp because first of all alcohol gets to me. Alcohol gets to me and the lawyer uyeva ukuthi vele bathi vele I care about him a lot. Mara love, I don't think it's love. I think I regret. I could have been my parents loved that guy. Mine kokwam nababuam bashona so. They don't want lo ngithi mine ex yami. Bafuna lo wakuzala.
It happens like that and akuvamisi vele kulast. I saw it many times.
So
avele manje ayikho.
I understand Magazi, it's not love. I think it's coming like she said, it's coming from a place of I care. I understand I did you wrong. Bro, she's doing what most women don't do. She's taking accountability.
Yeah, I am. Hi, when I could have been far with that guy. Ngiyakutshela ngithi mina noma ngase decide kulobola nyalo kumbe uyashada. Yathi kusinto yendani ngovele ngithi ghost. Let's go buy drinks. Let's drink. And then ngiyolala ngithakiwe but next day ngiyova ukuthi baphila kahle mara ngiyathi ukuthi man I think it's gonna happen. It's whatever. It is what it is.
Hey, this woman, you maybe doing a
It is what it is.
For this guy.
Shame. No, and apparently
Focus content.
no, apparently
There's a trend, yeah.
no, and apparently uthi yena mina I went there. Like I wouldn't go that far. I mean another guy suka from
Yeah, from a dust.
yathi
Yeah,
from
a dust, yeah.
sesebancane uhamba kuthiwa ukuthi kunemsindo lana nala ah
mina le nkinga lesona ngikuyo ne ngisolve ukuthi cala ngimitshwaleni you understand ukuthi ngilwe nami self
yeah
you understand
nami ngithinga
ngilwe nami ngikhumbule lo chair loyana lo bangisanze ekhaya kubo umlo ile gazi ngiluza ikhumbi ne
Yeah.
makolo chair wasingcona thengise ekhaya lapho ukuthi mina ngiyolanza ikhumbi back cabanga
Imagine, dog.
you understand so like lokho bongakubona isikhathi ulapho
Now
until
forgive
kuze
yourself, Jaya.
lento vele uyibona masehambile understand so the moment ubhizi ulilimata etshwaleni kumbe ubhizi untshintsha nemijolo ulimata kakhulu so leyathi bambelelo yaphambili
Forgive yourself.
so ngilendele ngiyendile nyalo
forgive I need that's the only thing I need to do
Yeah.
I need to forgive myself kwaphela dunya and lona lokuthi phela this ex that I'm talking about ushisa timpahla tami
Hey.
ushisa ama weak arm uphula ama phone
I
arm
know, this
you
one.
understand hayi
which
kusushisa
one is this one
it's the one lengithi mina and I'm done
it's not a normal one
It's not.
Yeah, it's not
It's not. Ushisa timpahla tami he does all those things to me and then you're going to expect me ukuthi ngibe right. Nje namuhla ngisetshela Linda ukuthi uyayibona ifone yami iphukile.
Nguye.
Ngina 5 months ngiyithengile. Angibe comfortable around him with tindo leti kahle. Ngiyalo ghost ngasuka athi let's go to town. Ngaphuma ngibe ngigqokile ngibe muhle yonyanya so.
akasebhizi ngalutho yena
No. Ubhizi ngani? Ubhizi ngani?
akanayo something dog
Got too much on his head.
Netshwala ukuthi uyakuthanda ubhizi ngami so I think even nokuthi anyamalele kimi abe right I think it's the best
Yeah,
I think it's the best nethi mangabe ukuthi utofuna kubonana na maybe kutoba ngide day kwaphela dunya amara angathi mina ngumuntu wakhe I'm not her steady girlfriend I'm not
yathi mina ngilungisa kanjani issue le mangibona ngase yangihlupha ngimthatha lo muntu ngasufile mina ngithi akasekho lo muntu ofile ngithi namba yakhe ngahlangana naye ngimnikele kanti yangilimata lento so until ngize ngibe grand
My
kanti
brother,
ngi-accept
listen. They live in the same street. Manje njengoba sihleti la.
Yeah.
You try and go to maybe the guy uhleli lapha.
umele mina
You understand? So it's hard to ignore those type of people.
so how come you can date someone uhlale emgwaqeni
Ima 16 is very toxic. Everything happens there. Ngiva ngathi kude umuntu lofuna kuphuma and okay, it's the people. Bonke bantu ngathi bahlale bafuna kuba lapha. Mina I don't go out anymore.
Yeah.
It's self-esteem, but it's self-esteem.
Yeah.
Yami
Yeah.
ngiluze kakhulu. Lapha but I was fighting Linda uthaka kakubona. I was fighting one thing on Sunday. I tend to fight a lot when I'm drunk and ngimi le ngiqalako ngiyisusa mina. Ngiyisusa and ngikhohlwe nokuthi nginesandla lesiyi1. Ngiyisusa wangidonsa lokho emshangane wemdzidzi wangidonsa wahamba kudumisa ukuthi kungishayile kona uva dimendlela ama appearance ukuthi
ngiyele out
no loyo makacethile uhamba kokota house to house yeah amshayile ngilakase kuphula khona ifona yeah bamshayile ngithi like really are you okay
Hey guys, no guys.
are you okay
Hey Linda, no, we need to find something nokucola nje aphume ama 16 nje.
Yeah.
Sibe busy, I'm telling you. Yeah, sibe busy na something dog.
From this day onwards, she's part of this podcast.
Yeah.
Part of the podcast.
Move kuhleka kanjani?
ngika kuthi Linda uyongikhulumela ngoba utova bathi phela ngelo sesilate sinamanu phela ngalo ngabe sesimanti inte
Yeah.
Tuesday,
nyalo yabuyela emsebentini ngiyomkhumbula
Yeah.
No, dog, but if we're gonna find a person like Nokolo,
Listen, Ngani,
many
remember.
friends they will attack us. Dog.
Wait.
I'm a social worker. She can be a social worker. You can be a social worker. I'm telling you, dog.
For her advantage,
Yes.
Ngani, we're shooting on Tuesdays
yes.
and Thursdays. We're gonna be shooting as well.
Yes.
So uyabona ukuthi lo muntu unani unesikhathi. Uyabona? Tuesday uyaqula. Wednesday ufuna ati prepare for Thursday.
Yes.
So uqala kuphila nini on Friday.
And when I want now ngamthatha kana used to have my gig weekends. La DJ yakhona. Oh, but now you to control.
Ah,
You to control but
Mara, you know, ghost, it's not a good idea.
Uthini?
It's not mina lenye into lengisabisa ukuthi ngicine ngisaba nokuya kuletinye tindzawo ngiyacalana
That's what I'm saying.
ngiyacalana and ngiyacalana noloku
Hayi
serious
kanti.
angadi
But if you limited yabo like njengoba Tuesday Thursday.
Already so keep
Angeke
it.
usabacala
Yeah.
kakhulu, like, this is so-
I know asimtholele ilo.
Therapist.
Yeah, therapy.
no give me a boyfriend
Oh, you have a boyfriend.
Oh, Nigerian.
kasi serious
I boyfriend
no.
yakho nayo podcast. If you feel like talking, as gonna shoot an episode.
Therapy yakho nayo.
Yeah.
I'll buy you.
I'm telling you, yeah.
yo wayishisa wayijuba lo ya Yeah. wayijuba
You had it.
yeah wayijuba bangani bamba kwata
In the
so sayithenga wayijuba
Wait,
sayithenga
You used to use those
Hold on. Wait. Uthe night thenga nebangani bakho.
yeah sayigazateka ukuthi siyajintshana siyaboleka and then it came to me loya wayibona wayiju angimagumba wayijuba kumba wayihlangana nekhotata moyishisa
Mara befuna jabule lapho dog.
Did you use it?
Yani
though?
kusomthole
Which one? So
outing.
70 cent.
That's the smart out. Sometimes
So don't like you mean you addicted uzuthenga lento ne?
no besiborekile sayikhuluma like isiborekile yabo as friends sathi ayi angcono sihambe sajuthana
It's trying new things.
it's trying
Yeah, I
new
think it's
things
trying new things.
So
Trying
as
new things.
I as guys don't nathi funa sithenga labo popi.
Sebakhona yini?
And uyokugcola baba khona. Don't nathi funa sithenga labo popi
Manje.
to try
My brother, here's my issue with these things,
Yeah.
ne, with the disco sticks.
Yeah.
Ne. You know, but size doesn't matter.
Yeah.
There's always a thing, size doesn't matter.
Never mind.
Mara, mabathenga the size. I
the
don't
size
understand.
matters guys
I don't
It
understand.
matters.
yeah
Yeah, why? Because the size doesn't matter.
what is it gonna do
What's your one?
Oh, wakwazisa ngilomlongo lo.
I feel offended.
Dog. Yabona kahle ukukhula it takes time ukuthi ukhule dog. It's not all about age, it's all about wena ukuthi ukhulile. You understand?
I know about the mindset.
No. My brother, you know what? Being exposed to things, my brother, helps a lot.
Yeah, a lot. Yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
Ungathatha mntwana lo set eminyaka umvalele ekamereni for 20 years uyophuma ngathi popcorn. You understand? Mara wamkhipha waba exposed to things.
Yeah.
At a young age, abe exposed to abona ukuthi oh look naloko ay ku wrong look right.
Key,
Le ngcondo yakhona ukuthi
Hey, but discipline is key, dog. Like, hey, yabona
100%,
mina ngithi
my
shayela tandla dog. It takes me time ukuthi ngifike la ngikhona khona.
Serious?
Ukuthi ume. Ekuse ume emagcasini, ume etshwaleni.
my brother. What's the reason now?
No, the reason is le calling yami.
Oh.
Yeah, like calling yami ingishayile.
And bona ukuthi delay ngalethi ndo
I wasn't
tantana.
aware. I
My
wasn't
brother,
aware.
you've been
that time.
away, my brother.
Yeah, you can be aware, but yabona yathi kunjani wena my brother, you can say accept ukuthi icherry yami bayidlile. But masophinze umeketelele nako bosa
Yeah, but accept 100%, ne.
like dog, like yabona ukuthi ukile waba na something ne, and waba broke.
Waluza
Waluza konke
Mbili mfana.
everything, even your family.
That's how you
So
know
wathi
what
ukuthi
you've
usikwelekana ngihamba thola ukuthi you have a calling. Dog, okay, what yini kufuna kuwena? But you need to accept waqathi kusasa kuseni utobuye ku recover.
mara wonke umuntu angaba ne-stress nowadays
brother.
abe broke
Yeah.
uthi it's a calling
Yeah.
uthi nami phela ngelokumele ngabe ngithi ngine-calling ngoba ngiyagowa
Yeah.
wonke umuntu
My
uthi
brother.
it's a calling
My
yeah
brother, let me tell you something, my brother. I think as certain accountability, my friend.
Yeah.
If you damn lazy, my dog, you are lazy. Ungathi wena ngobe bathethe i-tax wathi kahle ukuthi wena mawone tax groove wrong ukhohle ukuthi ufuna ukubhadala i-tax. Ngoba sebayithetha seyicalling.
Eh phela lapho ke lebokhumbula.
No, I'm just saying, yabona, example. Yabona. Bafethu, let's that's accountability. If you know, you like uyathatha ukuthi ulekha kuphi. You understand? Ushido ukuthi inkinga yakhe is ukuthi anganatha.
Ziyakhala.
Uba chaos. You understand?
Yeah.
But she knows ukuthi I have a problem with this.
I need to stop
I
this.
need to stop this. You understand? That's same as you. You understand ukuthi oh, nyalo ngobe mina sengilanga empilo. But because of these things, yabona. That's why you stopped, my brother. Yabo, Mara, we need to take accountability. We can't always blame things on what you call this, on calling. Because
Everyone is ubalekela kuwe.
there's only few people, the real calling. There's only few of them, my dog. The rest, they are shy.
Bombay.
Bashaya angikho right. No, my brother. Pi. Buyise so kancane, buyise ngala ku kancane. Right pa. Yeah. So
yeah, it takes a human being to take
my brother, take accountability in faith.
Take
accountability in faith. Look where you want to go.
And
try to find the ways. Be disciplined. Keyword, be disciplined, jam. Yabona ungatitshela ukuthi like myself. Angisemuntu utshwala. Ngantitshela ukuthi this thing angeke let me not. Nasilanga ngikhalelile. Mangakhalila ngeke nginathi. Nganazo kube mnazi banathe konke. Ngila ka.
Awusabushayi wena vele?
Mina. Ayengizange nginathe but ngimile kwanyana.
Usamile manje, yeah.
Ngibambe ibring eleft.
Bamba.
Yeah. Yabona ushayisa dashboard. Yeah. And angithi ibhlungu yathi. Oh ne buka this weekend. This past weekend ngibuya kuyo. Ngi-outtami. Ngiyabutsheri ngitshesa top. Nalabanye bothinya laba bayi3 ngi1 ndothenga konke mina yabo hayi dog ithengile lapha kwathenga kudla kwadliwa nabo konke salala sonke soyi3 ngalala elo esitulwini angifuni nje ngizingibhizi ngezilo sami angifuni kulalana nabo
nayo lenye lekhawatha ama-hour nayo ke lenye lekhawatha ama-hour nayo lenye lekhawatha ama-hour why every time onenyuku ucabange ama-strangers
hayi vele kunjalo
why every time onenyuku ucabange ama-strangers why angacabanga edladleni kudafethu njengobe kuna malini la hayi lapha edladleni kudzala sikhala ngokuthi eyi le feni iyashisa why ngafake i-aircon
hayi ufuna babone namajida
ma babonile then what happens
And angeke base bakucabangile. And imali uqinisile ube nemali utiva.
In fact, money is high. Money is high, dog.
Mina nini bangidizile. Ima 16 yangendani.
Nigerians.
Yangishaya ngivala soft.
Mabadizile.
Extending ngavuka ngaba ne stress ngathi ngibonga ukuthi no I did whatever that I needed to do ekhaya. Mara ngathi kumbe ngathi thengela mina something to go do my hair nani.
Mabadizile like imali yake bakile bakudiza ngayo le ningi ever since imali.
Bekungikudzala. Yeah, bekungikudzala when I opened the shop bangipha 50k.
Fucking hell.
That was
yeah.
Was it out though? Like
yes.
the boyfriend type
yeah.
Oh shoot.
Okay. So nyalo mama sibakudizile nyalo ngimali.
Ngelobo 50k asasengilutho honestly.
Ngijuse mara mama sibakudizile njengoba nini usibakudizile kanti.
Wanini bangipha kwel 6 angikalibona ukuthi
blocks.
Waphelele moye.
So when I now utirate nalo those girls basingojile kwemanomatana batsingojile. La manomatana slay queens.
Kudzala kwami.
Kudzala kwakho.
Kudzala kwami. Ilikazi bengikizingende lutho. There's a lot of people that are threatened. Even nanyalo ngilenga sona ngitifikela izomba sistiwokhela na ghost. Sibuye ema complexes na ghost siyatambela so mara they are still threatened. Ngoba kulula ukuthi i-comeback yami it's very easy. Ngento ngihlale ngitshela
yeah.
Solo.
Yathi namajida sinjani? Nami ngifuna kushaya ekugcineni. Nami ngifuna yabona lo
kunemuntu lokuthi ngelo uto babona kulama mina futhi ma 2000 bewangithanda kakhulu. Mina esitolo bekugcwala ama 2000 so
lapha esitolo sakho bengingakaze ngiyimara bengihlale ngaya kayi1 ngathi normal lana.
Ngiyalo bayongilwisa ungathi nokuthi bangilwisela ini mara ngelo yobabona badlula bafake amagucci bagcoka in leso sikhathi igirl idena yingi gucci.
Yeah.
Hard knock life, my
So
brother.
le mali boyithola boyenani boyinje buyidla parade because
bengayidla parade gokwami bekayithatha ifundzisa umntwanami ifundzisa umntwanami so today that's why another thing lenge ngize ngimkhohlwe ngayo umjida sibe nemali soyi2 sasplithelana wangishiya nemali ngiyo le bese ifundzisa umntwanami.
Nah, man. Shout out.
Shout out to Mjida. Shout out to Mjida Spotify. Ngazi sengizopela into lentina sawa. Dog what a twin mbonelo lo bathi manje le ex boyfriend ya ex husband ya Gogo Skoteni ivule i-podcast.
Yani.
Ian Kamalani. Isn't it the same one that Skotini had?
Uyivulile senathuma episode. Ngikhohle manje ukuthi
So you know what she said? Hey,
Oh, Skoteni.
uthi Skotini ukhipha imali yakhe. Waniketa guy ukuthi guy amlobole.
Yeah, ngivile lo.
Mara baningi labakwentako lokho.
So vele
Nalenye ilona bebayishutha bakhuluma ngale nto leyo.
so vele that's the thing. Like bakwenda vele.
Bagenda girls nowadays.
Bathi
Yabona
lobola.
ukuthi, oh, yabona ukuthi li.
Ayi.
Kani
Uvulile laphana akhala vele ngivele ukuthi eish.
Is it Monde? Yeah, Monde.
Yeah. Sengikhohle igama lale podcast yakhe uyivulile
Ukhala ngani?
ulo interview bathi ngiba ngisho mfana lo ya ku What Piles. Piano Piles. Tsahi ya ke interview ngitsahi. Ngathi into beyafuna ibe ngaye le podcast yokutsahi.
Oh, ukhala ngani la podcast?
Oh no, ukhuluma nge-relationship yakhe naGogo Skoteni khona those days. Yabo ukuthi kuhlungu.
Are they had a good thing going?
Yeah, but ngani uyabona sebamshiya vele bashaya ama-BBN nyalo live but nayo yathi solo ezinawo uthi solo yabo uyatsola ukuthi lesikhathi agowisha Gogo Skoteni ngenza bemntwana yena bekakhona
He wasn't
ukukhuluma
there,
yabo
yeah, he wasn't there.
yena bekazama ukuphuma out because uthi umuntu akakhulisekanga akhuluma
Yena vele
yeah uyathi solo vele nanyalo kahle a lot but angeke asakhona ukutshintsha lo
Mara
nganaye ukuthi ko trend
Mara,
ukuthi game
if you've noticed, Skotini has never came across as the berry type. She may look like it.
Yeah.
She may look like
so
physical.
pretty.
She's very pretty. Like Mambona, you like oh.
Hayi,
Yabona. Mara, she has never portrayed herself as the berry type. Lokuthi groova, hamba nema out.
Hayi, ngathi ngithola vele akusiphila.
Ah, she's never been that type. So I'm wondering ukuthi okay, I breakup yabo it come from what?
lo mntwana nguyelo ende ukuthi ndokwaba wise kahle
Lulu shonile.
yeah
Oh.
nguyelo khoze kahle kahle
into emfana ngisho.
Mfana. Nguyelo wende ukuthi relationship ibe so cause guy bekangekho kakhulu yabo and lo cherry nguyelo bekasaphanda
So Cherry bekati yena yedwana console.
yeah thosi mhlambe umntwana uyagula usesibhedlela guy uphumile yena uhambile Skoteni usendlini
Hey.
so it's tough naye but
Yeah, man.
ukhuluma naye side lakhe ukuthi it was tough naye we had to solve kathi soul yabo because sometimes in life we need to pass some such things don't angeke usole uhlala perfect it's highly impossible
No, the problem, like I said, the problem again, we're not honest, we don't communicate. Angani expect ukuthi mina ngidile nenkinga the way undila nenkinga. You understand? As fun
Yeah,
as
as fun,
fun.
that's
So
the fun.
so if mina the way to deal with or his way to deal with the death was for him to spend his time away
Yeah.
from Indlu because maybe there's traumas there in the house as well.
maybe,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah.
So naye utshela kuthini ayi lento yangistressa ngahlala la endlini ngiva ngathi
Yeah,
njani so
kind of,
ngifuna ukuba yabona that's his way to deal with it. The only problem is they never communicated with the fate.
mara sekubhora bathi sekubhora ukuthi ithola ukuthi useklabhini nomuntu amoshe imali ukuthi kufuna bayidzinge for lo mntwana
That's the-
ngalaso kutholakala amantombazane ngalaso slipe over ngalaso kunama pictures so you understand
Yeah.
but vele you need to pass such things vele if nasingoni bani
Hey,
sivala sithini Thursday
we'll be back again.
funa sive
On Thursday.
ngifuna tiba
I wonder-
atikhunge
I wonder ukuthi akanami ngifuna ukuva I wonder ukuthi
ngoba namhla ukuthi bengimfuna from ngo-10
baba bathi
Hayi.
ungabazi bani
Hayi, Thursdays on guys. We
Thursday's
are
on 100%.
100.
100% Thursday we on
Danko my dog.
yeah
We are on. It's a YouTube now.
Yeah,
it's
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, we will be posting again.
I think now ifoni yakho basayibuyile
Iyabuya namuhla ngiyo.
on YouTube on Thursday. This episode is dropping today. Joe Namuta is
Today, oh?
Tuesday. This one is
Okay.
dropping today.
Yes.
Zamba mane. Yeah, afternoon today it's dropping. Check out what's your thingy.
asikhulume podcast
Asikhulume broadcast.
Sikhulume podcast.
You're gonna post it on your thing, eh?
yeah
On Facebook, on all social networks.
all of them
Centro uzoposta, uzomsendela aposte naye.
konje ifoni ibuya namhlanje
Yeah, itobuya namuhla.
sivale danko
So hamba sis, don't
ngasikwatela ukuthi
sana.
sikhulume kabi
Yeah, guys,
Ngale-
don't
ngale-
come and kill us.
Let's better ghost man, dog.
Yeah,
I'm
ghost.
too, better
Ghost,
ghost.
I know ghost
I'm too.
when
I go to blind man.
hayi ghost sha hayi ghost siyamdzinga nje masibita gayi wase Spotify ghost kufuna abe khona
Hayi bo no.
Hey, the bomb.
Hey,
Sivale, sivale.